So let's talk about the Seagate Barracuda hard drive HDD and see how reliable this is. Well, this hard drive has probably been the most reliable hard drive I've ever had. Now, unfortunately, it no longer works, but the good news is I've had this for 10 years and now it crapped out. So if you want to know how reliable these are, well, 10 years is a very long time to use these drives. A lot of dumping of footage off and on. This drive writes and reads, and it held up with no issues. If you want a drive where you want to archive your footage, your media, and long-term storage, Seagate Barracuda is a really great option for long-term storage. And I see no issues that this crapped out after 10 years. It doesn't long and no longer works. But the fact that it had 10 years of storage life, it's a good sign. Very durable, and these are very affordable if you want to get long-term storage, lots of space. This is a 2 terabyte model, for example. So something to consider if you want a HDD.